make 3K months selling digital products. And here's the best part. I don't spend a penny on ads. No paid traffic, no fancy funnels, no big team. Just me, my phone, and a proven system that lets my business work even when I'm not. If you've ever thought I could never do that, then stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step, and you can too, without paying a single penny on ads. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've been where you're at, wanting more time and more income without the overwhelm. I've had a lifetime of chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and building businesses. Some of them brought me success and some of them brought me lessons, but I never regretted following my own path. When I realized that I started to need to build more income for retirement, digital marketing just landed in my lap. At first, I didn't get it. I didn't know what digital marketing was. I didn't know anything about funnels, about automation, and I wasn't very techy. But once I learned a simple system that helped me attract people organically, everything changed. And that's what I'm going to walk you through today. The first step is to pick a digital product that people are actually looking for, and it helps them get what they want. A course, a guide, a program that helps solve a real problem. The best part, you don't have to create it yourself. With the system I use, everything is done for you, meaning the products, the website, and the materials are already built for you. You simply learn how to share them with the right people. And because they're digital, there's no inventory, shipping, or customer service. Plus, you can now have a worldwide business from home. Just real solutions that help others. But here's the thing, having a great product that helps others is only half of it. The real magic happens when you know how to attract people without chasing them. Thinking this makes sense, but you need to know how it all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. This is where the no ads magic starts to happen. I use something called attraction marketing. It's exactly what it sounds like. People come to you instead of trying to convince anyone. I share my story, my experiences, and what I've learned along the way. On social media, that means short posts, relatable videos, and even quick stories that say, here's what I'm doing and why it's working. No pressure, no gimmicks, just real conversation. When people see authenticity, especially from women our age, they pay attention. You become a trusted voice, not a salesperson. What's something in your life that you would love to share with others? Comment below. I'd really love to know. If you're wondering, but Shelley, I'm not comfortable showing up online. Don't worry, you don't have to be perfect. I'll show you how to get started easily and confidently. Ready to learn how it all fits together? Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down for you step by step. Here's the truth I wish I'd learned a lot sooner. You don't have to be perfect on camera, you just need to be present. When I first started, I was nervous. I critiqued everything, the lighting, my hair, my makeup, everything. But the more I showed up, the more comfortable I got. That's why I created my top 10 style hacks to elevate your on-camera presence. It's a free guide that shows you how to look and feel your best on camera without overthinking it. Because when you feel good, you show up better. And when you show up confidently, you attract people who want to work with you. But here's the surprising part. Confidence isn't enough. You also need a business that works while you're out living your life. Let's talk about that next. And if you're interested, you can download my free top 10 style hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence below. These are the same steps that helped me to look and feel like the woman I'm meant to be, confident, magnetic, and completely myself. Now I'm all about working smarter, not harder. That's why I love automation. Automation keeps my business running automatically while I'm doing other things. This includes a set of emails, follow ups, and the sales process so that I can bring in income while I'm sleeping. And that means while I'm offline, my business is running 24/7. Automation lets me have both freedom and income. It's like having a digital assistant that never sleeps. It's all built into the system. You might be thinking, that sounds really great, Shelley, but I don't have hours and hours to put towards this. Let's talk about that next. Want to see how it all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step plan I use to go from zero to earning online. Everything I do for my business runs on what I call a 2-hour daily blueprint. Just 2 hours a day, learning, creating, and connecting. That's it. You don't need to be glued to your phone or working round the clock. You just need consistency. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone. You'll have mentors, training, and community cheering you on, including my very own group called My Digital Success Club. You can find the link for that below. Inside, we share mindset tools, digital marketing tips, confidence building strategies to keep you growing at your own pace. Because success is so much easier when you have other people going in the same direction, supporting you along the way. So let me ask you, what would your life look like if you started today? Imagine waking up knowing your business is running all night long and while you're drinking your morning coffee. Imagine waking up to 900 in your account every single day for the next 7 days. How would that make you feel? Imagine connecting with people who are inspired by your story and actually earning while you're making an impact on their lives. If you're ready to learn how it works, then grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It walks you through the exact steps you need to take in order to start attracting those people that want what you have organically by telling your story and being consistent. And if you're nervous to start showing up online, then grab my top 10 style hacks below. It's going to help you to show up as the confident, magnetic woman you already are. Because you deserve both freedom and fulfillment without the hustle. This is your time to shine, to share, and succeed in your way. Tell me in the comments, if you could earn income by sharing your story, what message would you want the world to hear? Now that you know how I make 3K months selling digital products with no ads, you might be wanting to learn how I made $1,200 in one day using the same automated system. It all starts with watching this next video, because when you pair what you just learned in this video with the next video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.